It's actually Jeff's girlfriend. Jeff actually has a girlfriend. I'm his wife. Yeah, there you go. When I say Jeffina says you follow my command. All right, Jeffina, what's up?
Okay.
Sit.
Sit.
Ha! Get wrecked, you nub! By one of them. Oh my God! You said it! You two are such a handful. Help! Help! Can we have Jeff back? She's crazy, man. Psychos, come on, buddy, man. I'm super excited for no Daycare. You ready, man?
Dude.
Are you ready, bro? Yo, give me your ready face. Give me your ready face. Come on. I'm
ready. Wait, my ready face? I don't have a ready face.
I got you. All right, ready? Take a close look at me. Zoom into my face. I'm ready! Yeah! You see, that's my ready face, man.
Do you want to see my ready face?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm ready.
Oh no! Stop it now! Okay, so anyways, let's see what's going on in the Daycare, man. Oh, wait, Jeff?
I gotta take my face.
What was that? It was like a girly scream. How'd your feet up?
Oh!
Zombies! Yo, Jeff! What's up, buddy? Jeff, give me a hug, man. How you doing? Ah, Jeff, no! Jeff, what the heck, man? What's going on here? Oh, no, bang, on me. Bang, on me, bang! Help! Oh, Jeff, what's going on, man? Is there something wrong? Why are the zombies in your Daycare?
Zombies everywhere. Oh, no. There's wrong flag.
Oh, snap. Oh, snap. We're being invaded. Why are we being invaded by zombies? Ow! They hurt me.
Baby zombie.
No, beat them. Stay back. I was chased here. What do you mean you were chased here? For what reason? This is when those zombies chase you over here, dog. This is MooseCraft. Go grab a paintball gun. Why? Why do they chase you? What are they after, Jeff? What is going on? I was in the desert. What do you mean? Why? Wait, why are we in the desert?
No. Moose.
Huh? I went after the Holy Grail Moose Book. You didn't what? Do you have it? Dude, where's the Holy Grail Moose Book, bro? Who's this? The Holy Grail Moose Book! No! I gotta hide it.
The baby zombie, get it.
But, wait, paintball guns.
Paintball guns. Wait, we have weapons? We're where?
Oh, snap. Come here. Hurry up.
I need weapons.
Ow! Dang, you zombies! Stay back, brat!
Okay,
you okay? Everyone's Gucci? Yeah.
Okay, I'm good. We good.
No, bad zombies, get them! I'm trying! There's too many! What is going on? Why are we... Jeff! Why would you steal the Holy Grail Moose Book? It was a good idea, by the way. I just want to say, but... oh, no. Jeff, we're having a problem. Jeff, we're being overflooded. Jeff, I haven't got the other guns. I have to get the other guns, Jeff. Oh, snap. This is not good. Oh, Jeff, get my back.
Okay, I have a paintball grenade.
You have a paintball grenade? What is that gonna do?
We good.
Hide the Holy Grail Moose Book.
Paintball.
There we go. Go over here. Go over there. Hold on, buddy. I'm working on something really good, dude. I'm gonna save our day, dude.
Save our day.
But.
I'm counting on you, dude.
I'm coming back, man. I'm coming back in there. Jeff, you all right, buddy? Jeff, this is a terrible idea. Did you really think that stealing the Holy Grail Moose Book would really save the day, man? When the Holy Grail Moose Book is in a hidden place, that means you gotta, well, you gotta leave it alone, man. You know what I'm saying? Jeff, this guy. Okay, watch out. Wait, we good? Hey.
Dude, I think we're good.
Really? That's it?
Huh. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they come in waves. We should probably prepare, dude.
I take care. Jeff, what do you mean you take care? Bro, you need our help, man. You gonna say that you can take care? This guy.
Jeff, you did absolutely nothing, dude.
What the heck, man? Second, what are you doing?
I got stuck. Go away. I got stuck. I'm not doing anything. What do you mean?
I make all better. You don't make it better, Jeff. You know what? I got you, Jeff. I'll make it better. Jeff, catch. Oh, my bad. Now give me Moose Milk. I need to taste them. What do you mean? Okay, fine. Here we go. Ooh, what's this over here? Oh, it's command blocks over here. Hold on. Oh, give me a second. Let me just no, the Holy Grail one. Jeff, relax. Give me a second. Let me get this. Hold on. There's command blocks here. I don't know why they're here. But oh, it's still zombies. I thought I was gonna fix it. Dang it. Jeff, you okay? What's up, buddy? Stay still. Yeah! I got him, bro. I got him. But oh, snap. You okay? Why are you making weird noises, dude?
No, I wasn't, dude. I was just dying to a bunch of zombies. Don't worry about it.
Wait, why are you making weird sounds? I don't understand what's going on here. Hold on.
I'm not dying, dude. Don't worry about it.
Stay back! Ah, Jeff! Jeff, come here. Jeff, you gotta have a talk. Jeff, come over here. We gotta have a talk. Jeff, seriously, we gotta have a talk. Come here, Jeff. Hey, Jeff. I'm a moose. You're a moose. I have antlers. Don't shoot the moose or I will burn the Holy Grail Moose Milk, okay? You got that? You got that? Okay. All right. You got that, Jeff? Just got Ah, Jeff, come on! One job and you can't even do it correctly, man. Ah, zombies! No! Stay back! Stop! Jeff, stop! Seriously, don't ever say that! That's it, Jeff. I'm getting rid of it, man. I'm getting rid of it because you're causing so many problems. But, oh no. Maybe zombie. But! Oh, snap. Stay back! That's zombie! But! Dang it! But! Jeff! They keep on spawning, man! How many zombies were there?
Dude, I don't know. That's too many. Sorry. I was currently doing. Oh, I died.
Cyclops!
What do you mean Cyclops? Dude,
What do you mean Cyclops? Are you doing
what do you
this?
mean am I doing this? I'm on the roof, dude.
Wait,
Don't
doesn't make
talk.
any sense. Remember, Cyclops was with me. We keep the daycare together.
on the roof.
How would he
Come
be doing this, man? If you were in that pyramid, you're getting all that crazy zombies and stuff after you because of the Holy Grail Wolfsbook.
Exactly. This has nothing to do with me.
Yeah.
Dude, that was just rude to blame me. Come on.
I got an idea.
What do you mean?
Pass. What do you mean? What are you
Pass.
talking about?
What do you mean?
Pass the Moosebook. Jeff, I'm not doing that. I'm going to hide it somewhere safe where you can't get to it and no one else can get
There's
to
zombies,
it.
dude. There's zombies everywhere.
Oh, snap.
No,
Oh, snap.
No.
Oh. Gotta get to the second floor. Gotta hide the Holy Grail Moosebook. No one can have it. It's my precious.
Moose, tell me. I'll protect it with you, dude. Whereabouts are you?
Buddy, wait a minute. Stay back. Everybody stay back.
Moose, whereabouts are you, dude? I'm
No!
gonna help you.
Stay back! No! I don't trust nobody! Everyone under the Holy Grail Book! You know you're not the Holy Grail Book!
Dude, we're friends. Come on. You already forgotten about all the good times we've had together? Come on, dude.
Nope. I'm not listening to nobody. I ain't taking no last from fools. How do I know you're not behind this, Cyclone? Oh, Jeff, you really think I will give you the real one? Ha! Jeff, this is not gonna work on me, buddy. I know it's the real one, buddy. I can tell by looking at it. It's glowing. It's actually glowing. Where is that? LOL! Jeff? Cyclone, what is that? Hey!
Ah, I'm dying! There's a bunch of zombies.
You okay,
dude.
buddy? Yeah!
Holy Grail. Wow.
I got you.
Blown up by zombies.
Oh.
I'm sorry, Moose. Are you one of the zombies, dude?
Oh, no.
Are you
Bro.
secretly working for them?
I'm not working for nobody.
Moose,
What are you talking
whereabouts
about?
are you, dude? I know a good place to hide the Holy Grail Movement. Come with me.
What are you talking
Moose,
about?
Moose, you gotta trust me, dude. You gotta trust me.
Okay, fine. I'll
Whereabouts
trust you. Come
are
over
you?
here. Come to me.
Jeff wants it, dude. Whereabouts are you?
Jeff left. Wait a minute.
Quick hit. Now's the time to hide it, dude.
Hey, come on. Hurry up. Let's go. Come here.
Okay, whereabouts are you? I
Hold
don't
on,
know where
hold
you
on.
are.
I'm working on something. I'm trying to reload this gun. Wait a minute.
Yeah,
Joe.
dude, okay.
Hold on. I'm totally not upstairs at all. Why are there so many
But you're
zombies
not
everywhere?
upstairs or you are upstairs? I'm
I'm not upstairs. I'm somewhere else.
Oh, I
Knowledge.
keep dying. I need help.
Need help? I got you, buddy.
need help.
I'm on the way, man. Hold up. I'm trying to reload my guns. These things are really annoying to reload, man. These paintball guns ain't gonna help. Joe. Perfecto.
Reloading your
I am
guns.
Gucci.
Is that what you're doing?
What?
You're
What?
reloading you're not trying to take the Holy Grail
You
Movement.
seem to be awfully suspicious recently, Cyclone.
Dude, no, I'm just wondering. I want to make sure you're safe. You know, you're my friend. You know.
Cyclone? What's going on?
What do you mean?
Jeff! You're back! Jeff, Cyclone's
Moose,
acting a little
whereabouts are
suspicious
you, dude?
recently.
Hey, Moose,
I'm on the second floor. How about you?
Moose,
Where
turn
are
around.
you at?
now hand over the Holy
Hey!
Grail Movement. No!
Hey!
No!
Don't
I
sneak
was
up on me
so
like that!
close.
What do you
I'm
mean you were
sorry,
close?
Dude, come on! I was just trying to be helpful, and then you go and shove me in the face with a
You're not
paintball
trying to be
gun.
helpful, Cyclone. You're after me, aren't you? You want the
I'm
most milk
not
for
after
yourself.
you.
You can't have the most milk.
Dude, why would you accuse me? You know I hate moose milk, dude. You know I don't.
What, you
like
hate
it.
moose milk? What do you mean you
I
hate
hate
moose milk?
moose
You can't hate
milk.
moose. You
No.
can't hate moose milk, bro.
Fine. Okay, look, just give me the Holy Grail. I'll look after it.
Stay!
Come with me. Let's go hide it together, dude. Trust
Back!
me.
No! Cyclone,
We've
I do
been-
not
we've
trust
been
you.
friends
Jeff,
for how
where you
long
at,
now?
Jeff?
Come
Why are you
on.
just kind of
You
messing
gotta
around,
trust
buddy?
me.
Oh,
We've
no.
been friends for too long, Moose. You just gotta trust me,
Stay
dude.
back. Stay back.
Trust
2
me.
feet.
Trust me.
What I say?
Moose!
No! I don't trust you. I don't trust any of you. You too, Jeff.
Why can't
You're
we
trying to
be
be off to my
friends?
Holy Grail moose milk, and it's my precious.
Right. I mean, maybe you were right. Maybe I was after the Holy Grail Moose milk, you know?
I don't trust you at all.
Maybe, maybe I'm behind the
Interesting.
zombies.
Well, how about you try to find me, buddy?
I don't need to find any of the zombies, well.
Wait a minute. Jeff!
What?
Cyclone! Are you guys
Uh-huh.
working together?
What do
Are
you
you
mean?
guys teaming up on me? Are you trying to steal my
dude.
Holy
Come on,
Grail
no,
moose
dude,
milk?
we're friends.
Huh?
We've been friends for too long.
Yeah,
Just
we've been
think
friends
back to all
forever,
the good
right?
times we've had in Daycare, dude.
Yeah, well,
Think
when it
back
comes to my
all the
precious,
good times.
things change a little bit. Okay, guys. Well, you know, I just want to say, just come by to the daycare, and everything's gonna be fine.
Come outside the daycare. Okay. Okay, I can do that. I'll meet you there.
I'm outside.
Yeah, me too. Me too. I'll be there in a second.
All right, Cyclops, where you at? I see that
Don't
Jeff
worry
is
about it, dude.
stalling.
be just be a couple minutes.
Stay back. Okay. Where are you? Hey, Jeff, stay back. Jeff, did Cyclone fall from a high place?
Nope, go
Cyclone,
away. I did not
what are you
fall
doing?
from a high place. Moose?
Jeff, there's zombies behind you, buddy. Jeff, be
Hey,
careful,
Moose.
man.
Hey, Moose. Goodbye, Moose.
What's going on?
I know
What is
where
this?
you are. Do. Hey, Moose, guess what?
Jeff,
I see you, buddy.
Jeff, we got a problem. Jeff, come
See
here.
you.
Jeff,
No,
I'll
give me
you
the
moose milk.
holy grail of moose milk and I'll let you live,
Jeff,
dude.
Jeff,
Give me the moose milk.
listen, he's after us. Listen, we are mooses. We stick together. Jeff. I'm sorry about this.
Give me the
Jeff,
moose milk, dude.
I'm sorry about this, man. No, Jeff, buddy, I'm out of here, man. That's it. You're gonna
Jeff,
try to
did
steal
you
my
get
moose
moose
milk?
milk, dude?
No, you'll never have the moose milk. Ha! I tricked you guys. Nope. You will never get my moose milk because you can't catch me because I'm a moose and I'm super fast and I am unstoppable, guys. Yeah, that's right. Bad, Jeff. Bad.
Jeff, go after him, dude. We can get him.
But no, stop it. You guys will never catch me and take me alive. But. No, I'm out of bullets. I'm running out of moose milk.
Never catch you, will I, Moose? Never catch you, he said.
Ben, stay
Are you,
back.
Moose?
Step.
No, Jeff, come on. Jeff, I thought we had a deal, dude. Come on, don't kill me.
What's going on?
Whereabouts are you, dude?
Yes, come on. There we go, through here. There we go. Oh, snap, I'm running out of bullets. Yeah.
Hey, Moose. Guess who has commands? Hi, Moose. Hello, buddy.
Ben, no, stop it. Dang it.
Give me
Oh,
the
no.
moose milk and no one gets hurt.
Everyone who's watching this video, please leave a like to this video, subscribe, and slap that bell so we can protect the Holy Grail Moose together. Bet, Cyclone, stay away. Stay
Give me
away.
the moose milk, Moose. Give me it.
Cyclone, stay away right now, man. I don't want this, buddy.
Enjoy.
All snap. I am running out of bullets, man. This is not good.
Have fun.
This
Hand
is
over
not
the moose
good.
milk and I'll get rid of them, dude. Hand over
No,
the moose milk. It's
I
all
will
you
not
have to do.
hand over the moose milk. That's right, bad with her. Yeah, you'll never take MooseCraft alive. You will never take MooseCraft alive. Yeah! What is
It's
this?
so easy.
Oh,
Just
snap!
give me the moose
Jeff's
milk.
the horse. I gotta go. Ow, this guy. Well, anyways, guys, I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. I gotta go somewhere. I gotta hide, man. These people are after me, bro. I will protect the Holy Grail Moose if it's my life.
I can smell
I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye!